Understanding earning Oscar buzz. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting phrase that you might come across in the world of cinema and entertainment: earning Oscar buzz. This phrase is packed with excitement and anticipation, and understanding it can add a new layer to your English comprehension, especially when following Hollywood news. Let's break it down together. When a movie, actor, director, or any element related to filmmaking starts earning Oscar buzz, it means that there is growing talk, speculation, and anticipation that it will receive a nomination or win an Academy Award, commonly known as an Oscar. The Oscars are among the most prestigious awards in the film industry, celebrating outstanding achievements. Buzz, in this context, refers to the excitement and chatter among audiences, critics, and industry insiders about the potential for Oscar recognition. Oscar buzz is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it can significantly boost a movie's visibility and audience interest, leading to increased ticket sales and viewership. Secondly, it enhances the prestige of the individuals involved, potentially elevating careers and opening doors to new opportunities. Lastly, Oscar buzz creates a narrative around a film or performance, contributing to its historical and cultural legacy. Oscar buzz can originate from various sources. Film festivals and premiere screenings often serve as launching pads for Oscar buzz, where initial reactions can set the tone for a film's awards season campaign. Critics' reviews and industry accolades also play a significant role, as do social media discussions and campaigns by studios aiming to promote their movies for Oscar consideration. The impact of earning Oscar buzz extends beyond just the potential for winning an award. It can influence public opinion, box office performance, and the marketing strategy of a film. For creators and performers, Oscar buzz validates their work's artistic merit and can be a career-defining moment. For audiences, it guides attention to films that represent the pinnacle of cinematic achievement for the year. We hope this video has shed light on the exciting concept of earning Oscar buzz, and why it's a significant phrase in the English language, particularly within the entertainment industry. Whether you're a film enthusiast or simply looking to expand your English vocabulary, understanding this phrase enriches your comprehension of cultural conversations. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to exploring more interesting phrases and topics with you. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.